How to safely take down your braids. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you guys how I take down my own braids using aloe vera leaf. I love using aloe vera because of all the good stuff, all the good benefit that it contains, and how it helps my hair grow. And I most especially like to use it for takedown processes like this because it just adds that sleep. My hair has been in this braids for about 2 weeks now, and I've been busy with work, and so I wasn't able to like moisturize it as much as I can. So my hair was pretty dry, and in order for me not to experience a lot of breakage, I knew I needed to, use some aloe vera. If you do not have aloe vera with you, or you cannot get your hands on aloe vera, you can as well mix a conditioner in some water and maybe yeah, conditioner and water. I've done that before. As soon as I get to the root, I would reapply some of that aloe vera um, to the root of the hair. Then I'll use my fingers to massage all of that in and begin to finger detangle. This is very important because this is where a lot of us sometimes can experience breakage. At this point, you want to be very gentle, with your hair. Try to, unravel every knot before you go ahead to use a comb to detangle it. At this point, my hair from root to tip is literally covered in aloe vera gel, so it's very slippery, and I really love that. So I would proceed now to use a wide tooth comb to further detangle the hair. And if you're wondering why I'm putting the hair back in a twist, because I just took it down from a braid, well, I am about to proceed to wash my hair. I always wash my hair in sections, and I like to twist them away so that I can actually get to the scalp of my hair and really, wash my hair. My hair is not very full or the longest, but I feel like this is the most effective way for me to wash my hair, and I absolutely love it. So this is me just showing you guys how I twist. So as I took down each section of the braid, I twisted it back up. Not a very tight twist, something simple, because as soon as water touches it, most of them will unravel by themselves. And now this is what my hair looks like after I washed it. I pretty much left the hair to dry on its own, and the hair is about 80 to 90% dry right here, and I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next one.